Welcome to Help Screen. And now if you want to create read-only channels in Discord, first open up the Discord application and now just simply go ahead and go to the top left and make sure to go to the server that you want to create a text-only channel. Now here you will have text channels. So just simply hold the text channels and just simply tap on create channel. So from here, make sure the channel type is text, and I'm gonna name the channel name as text only. And now just simply select create on the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, just simply go to your channel that you created and hold it, and just simply select edit channel. Now tap on channel permissions. From here, go for advanced view. So guys, here on the advanced view, select rows and select everyone. And here, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here text channel permissions. So make sure to turn off the send messages in thread, create public threads, create private threads, embed links, attach files, add reaction. So you could turn that on and leave it. Use external emoji, you can turn it on. So pretty much over here, you could just simply turn off anything that is related to messages. Now, from here, I'm gonna turn this off, send voice messages, and create polls. And pretty much that's it. Once you are done, just simply go back and you should be able to have a text-only text channel. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching. See ya.